Building a PC starts with selecting the right components. Let's look at the essential parts you'll need. First, you'll need a CPU or processor, which is the brain of your computer. The motherboard connects all your components together and determines compatibility with other parts. RAM or memory stores data that your computer is actively using. For storage, you'll need either an SSD or hard drive to store your operating system and files. A graphics card or GPU handles visual processing, especially important for gaming and video editing. The power supply unit provides electricity to all your components. Finally, you'll need a case to house and protect all your components. When selecting components, compatibility is crucial. The motherboard must support your CPU socket type. Different CPUs use different socket types, so always check that your CPU and motherboard are compatible before purchasing. Similarly, your RAM must match your motherboard's specifications, such as DDR generation and maximum supported speed. Consider your budget and intended use when selecting components. Different use cases require different hardware priorities. To verify component compatibility, use online tools like PC Part Picker. These tools automatically check for compatibility issues between your selected parts. Before starting your build, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damaging components with static electricity, and thermal paste if not included with your CPU cooler. With your components selected and tools gathered, you're ready to begin building your PC. Remember to verify compatibility, purchase from reputable retailers, and consider your specific needs and budget when choosing parts.